Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error value error too many values to unpack. So I'll be explaining you why you get this error as well as the solution in Python. Let's get started. So here I'm having two scenarios in which you may get this error. So first is I'm having a function named as fun, and here I'm returning three values, so three variables also. So this is an integer, string and a list. So if I run this function, I'll just comment the other function that I have, and here I'm calling the function and assigning the three variables to these three variable values over here, and later I am printing them. So if I just now run this, here you can see I'm getting all the three values. So now if I go here and remove the third variable that I'm assigning when calling this function, so I'll just remove this. So at this moment here you can see this v2 will correspond to this variable c1, v1 will correspond to this variable c2, but we don't have any corresponding variable to hold the value of v3, and this is where this error occurs. So if I just save it and run it now, here you can see value error, too many values to unpack. So it says there are too many values to be assigned to, because here we are having only two variables but we are returning three variables. So in some place in your code you are trying to store values to a variable more than what is expected. So another scenario is going to be in this another function. Okay, so I'll just comment this or remove this basically, and here I'm having a pretty simple function. I'm having a list and later I'm assigning the values to the variables in the list. So if I just save it and if I clear this and if I run it, here you can see the same error, because in the list I'm having three elements but I'm having here only two variables. So if I just put a c over here, see the third variable, one will be go to a, two will go to b, three will go to c. So now they're having its corresponding values and it's not over than expected one. So I'll just rerun it again. Here you can see I'm getting it. So just go through your code. At any point in your code you may be having variables which are less than the required amount, or you may be returning more number of parameters or values that are to be assigned to your variables. So just check that and you'll be getting your error solved. So do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in Python, C, C++, Java, and other OpenAI, AI tutorials also. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.